When we think market is going to crash, we will go with put buy. Then when we need to go and use put sell. Welcome back to BullBear Logic. In our option trading series today, we are going to discuss completely about put side. Before we jump into the topic, please remember I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making this content only for educational purposes only. Options are risky. Please remember. So, we'll see this NVIDIA option chain, and we discussed this is a call side and this is the put side. Put side also we have bid and ask. Ask means if you click onto the ask, which is a put and buy. This will do when we think when market is going to crash. And when it comes to the ask, if you see this is the ask means put sell. So today we'll discuss about what are the differences between put buy and sell, when to use put buy and when to use put sell, all those differences. When we are going to use put buy long put, both are same. So whenever you think like a stock is going to fall, or like you are like bearish on that stock, in general those times we will go with put buy contract. So for this you need to pay the premium to buy this contract, and if the stock price falls below the strike price, the put option increase in value, which means you will be in profit. Then you can close the contract. Some will say close, some say I sell my contract. So both are same things. And example we'll see. So there is a like if you take NVIDIA stock and the current price is 200 and you are thinking some reason like bearish about NVIDIA, and you will buy a put at strike 190 and you paid the premium $5. So we'll see the profit loss diagram. Like in this example, imagine you went with a 1 week out expiry. So by the time end of that 1 week, if the stock stays anything above 190, you are going to lose your entire $500. So you will be in max loss. If NVIDIA stays below 185, you will be in profit based on the price. And if NVIDIA in between anywhere 190 and 185, if it is 185, you will be break even. Anything between 190 and 185, you will be in partial loss. So this is how we need to calculate put buy. So whenever we are bearish on any particular stock, we can go with put buy. So now we'll see put sell or short put, some people will call. So before we discuss about put sell, to open the put sell contract, you should have collateral to buy 100 shares of that particular stock. In our case, we chose NVIDIA. So if you want to open a put sell contract with NVIDIA and with the strike price 190, you should have 190 into 100, $19,000 cash in your account, in your portfolio. So for this put sell, you will receive the premium. And we'll see the example of NVIDIA. NVIDIA current price is 200 and the strike we are choosing 190 and the premium we are going to receive $4, like 1 week expiry. If the stock price stays above the strike price, which means anything above 190, the put option expires worthless. So you keep this entire premium. But we'll see here profit loss diagram. If NVIDIA stays anything above 190, you are going to keep this entire premium. But if anything goes below 190, you have to buy 100 shares of NVIDIA at $190. even that day, if the Nvidia is at 150 or 120 or even 100, but you should buy that at $190 strike price. So that is where this will be tricky and unlimited risk. So imagine, like, you take this contract at 190 strike price, but after a week somehow Nvidia end up going down to 150, then you have to buy with 190 only, and there you will be in $4,000 loss. So this is where unlimited loss, because we don't know how it can go down, right? So that is where you have to be very careful. When so we'll see the different final differences one more time. For put buy, you are going to pay the premium to buy that contract, but for put sell you are going to get the premium. And here the risk is limited what you paid, but here risk is unlimited, as we don't know how the stock will going to go down. And for this you should have collateral to buy 100 shares for that particular stock, whatever you pick. So those are the main differences. So in our next lesson, we are going to combine this call, buy and sell, put, buy and sell all together, and we are going to do option chain anatomy. So if you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.